I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding your config. CFG inside the CStrike folder. This file controls key binds, rates, and aliases. Once found, make a backup, copy it to config backup. CFG so you can revert if needed. Then open the file with a plain text editor. You will edit commands directly. You'll change basics first, sensitivity, view model, and rate settings. These initial edits set a stable baseline. They prevent conflicts when you add aliases or custom binds later. Save often to avoid lost changes. Now you'll insert practical commands that affect gameplay and networking. First, set network rates like CL updatarate 101, CL cmdrate 101, and rate 25,000 so hit registration and prediction improve. Next, add aliases and binds. Create a fastbuy alias for weapon and armor purchases, then bind it to a key for consistency. Then tune view model and sensitivity. These directly influence aim feel, so make incremental changes and test. Once done, execute finish by creating an auto-exec CFG that mirrors important commands and places it in CStrike so settings apply at launch. Then test in an offline bot match to verify bind behavior, buy aliases, and hit registration. Make small iterative tweaks until it feels consistent. If commands don't load, make sure config CFG isn't marked read-only and that you edited the correct folder, local install versus Steam Cloud. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle read-only off and reload the config using exec auto-exec CFG in console to force application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.